Okay, so I just came across this tool called Summarize, and it has a Chrome side panel that looks really cool for quick content summaries.
Wait, seriously, a side panel for summarizing content. How does that even work?
Right? It auto-detects different media types like web pages, PDFs, and even YouTube videos. It can summarize text or extract slides.
That sounds super handy. I can imagine it being a game changer for students or anyone who consumes a lot of media.
Exactly, the tool even uses OCR to grab slides from videos. It's like having a digital assistant that takes notes for you.
But what happens if the video doesn't have captions? Does it still manage to pull useful information?
Great question. It actually falls back on transcription services like Whisper, and if that fails, it tries some web scrapers.
So it's like it has backup plans built in. That's pretty clever, but does it affect accuracy?
Totally, the accuracy can vary, especially if it relies on scrapers. But for audio, it usually does pretty well.
Got it. I'm curious about the Chrome side panel. Does it work seamlessly with the browser?
Yeah, you just install the extension, and it can summarize whatever's on your screen with a click.
So it's not clunky or anything. Like, you don't have to copy-paste content manually.
Exactly, it's really streamlined. You can even see a history of your summaries, which is a neat touch.
That's actually quite useful. I can see that being helpful for research or revisiting topics.
And get this, it even offers different output formats like Markdown or JSON for developers.
Wow, they really thought of everything. But I wonder if that makes it complicated for casual users.
That's a fair point. The advanced options could be overwhelming if you're just looking for a quick summary.
Right, it's about finding that balance between advanced features and user-friendliness.
Exactly, and speaking of balance, the use of local daemons for processing could raise some privacy concerns.
True, users have to be careful with local services. What if someone has sensitive information?
They would need to be aware that their data is being processed locally. It's definitely something to consider.
So in a way, it's not just about convenience. It's about managing security too.
Exactly, but on the flip side, having local processing can speed things up significantly.
So it's like a trade-off between speed and privacy. That's an interesting dilemma.
Right, and let's not forget the CLI support. You can use it for various file types beyond just web content.
Oh wow, so it can summarize PDFs and audio files too. That's really versatile.
Yeah, and it's cross-platform. You can run it via NPM or Homebrew, which makes it super accessible.
Speaking of accessibility, does it have any limitations on how much it can summarize?
Good catch, they do have character limits depending on the model used, which can be a downside.
So if you have a lengthy document, it might not summarize everything. That could be frustrating.
Exactly, it's about managing expectations, especially for users with long texts.
But it sounds like a great tool for quick summaries and general overviews.
For sure, and think about how it can help with content overload, just a quick summary and you're good to go.
That's so true. It could really help people to digest information faster.
And it makes me wonder how tools like this will evolve in the future.
Right? Imagine more personalization and smarter AI summarizing based on your preferences.
That would be amazing, but on the flip side, we need to ensure AI gets it right.
Absolutely. There's a lot of potential, but also a lot to navigate.
And that's what makes this whole space so fascinating. We're just scratching the surface.
Totally. It's like we're getting a sneak peek into the future of information consumption.
Exactly, and I love that we can explore these new tools together.
Same here. It's exciting to think about how this could change the way we learn and share knowledge.
And to think it all starts with something as simple as a browser extension.
Right? It's a good reminder that sometimes the simplest ideas can lead to profound changes.
Absolutely, so what do you think? Would you give Summarize a try?
Definitely, I'm intrigued by the possibilities. I might just download it right now.
Awesome, let's keep each other posted on how it works for us.
For sure, I'm looking forward to digging into those features.
Same here, until next time, let's keep exploring.
Absolutely, can't wait for our next chat.